Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw polygon using one of the three methods. Now in this example we have a polygon and an information is given, which is the edge or the side length of the polygon. Now in order to draw this polygon in AutoCAD, first we have to tell AutoCAD that how many sides do we have. Then we have to provide the information that we have it. Now one of the methods that we're going to use we call edge length. If I have the edge, I will draw one of the edge. AutoCAD will draw the rest of the shape for me. There is one thing that we have to know. AutoCAD as a default uses counterclockwise to draw this polygon. What does it mean? If you have a polygon, if you're drawing with edge, you just have to draw one counterclockwise sign in the middle. Then imagine that if you tell AutoCAD this is point 1, this is point 2, it's going to continue counterclockwise 3, 4, 5. It will draw the polygon for you. So the direction that you will go, this line, when we're drawing this line, we have to start from 1, 2 in order to be like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and come back to this point as point 6. It will draw the polygon for us. Well, if you don't do this manner, if you say 1, 2, let's say you're trying to draw it from this side to this side, well, since AutoCAD it goes counterclockwise, 3 will come here, 4 will be here, 5 will be there, 6 will come here. So the polygon that we're drawing it will be something like this. It will come in this manner. Why? Because it will draw it, it's not something like this, but equilateral. If I draw it nicer, it will come something like this. Why? Because it will try to do it as a counterclockwise direction. So for drawing this line, we have to draw it in a way that 1, 2, and then it will go to the top. We shall see it in AutoCAD to see how does this work. We'll go to AutoCAD. Let's say we have for this one, we'll adjust the screen accordingly to see if the screen is okay. This will be enough. Now we're going to select polygon. In the polygon, first thing that AutoCAD is asking you, it says enter number of side. Well, you can read this information by just looking at the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon here. So you type 5, hit enter. Now as a default, the first thing that after the sides, it will ask you specify center of polygon. But here I don't have center. Why we have to go in the option, which is you shall see it in the command line. In the command line, you shall see here this is polygon, and we have what edge option, because we're going for edge here, so we have to choose edge. So we said that whether you click on this one, or you will type E, it will turn to edge option. Now we have two ways. Whether bring the mouse over here, it will be like a hand pressing it. So click on this option here, it will change it to edge, or we say you can type E, which stands for edge, hit enter. Now it will ask you to specify first endpoint of edge. Here you have to draw the edge that we have. Now the edge we're going to draw is this one. This is the easiest one I can draw. Yes, I don't need angle. I can draw any of the others. Why? Because they have 20, but I need angle. The easy one to draw for me is this one, 20. I don't need angle, it's completely horizontal, so I can click somewhere here. You don't have any coordinate system, I can click anywhere. So I click somewhere, then I will move in this manner. Look, if I go to the right, you will see the object will go in this manner. It will go counterclockwise. Why? Because this is the first point I have it. This is the first point, this is the second point. Then it will turn to draw the shape in this manner. Now if I go into the other direction, look, this is the point, yes, if you understand, this is the point I start with. If I go to the left, you see the shape comes down. Now why the shape comes down? We said that auto can tend to draw in clockwise. So if this is first point, this is second point, then it will try to draw in a counterclockwise mode. In that case, this will be 3, 4, 5, and comes back. So you have to understand this when you're drawing polygon with the edge, you will go in a direction that it will give you the shape. Now this is what we need. We'll just go to make sure the direction is important. Look, you can draw any of the other edges, but which one for me it's clear? The horizontal one. I will keep it horizontal, and the length is 20. I'll hit type 20 and hit enter. I will draw the polygon as we want. Repeat it again. We're gonna click on polygon. First thing we'll ask you, enter number of sides. Please read the command line 5. Then we'll ask you specify center of polygon. I don't have center, but in the specification or the options we have it here. We have edge. We can click on the edge here. It turns to edge now. It says specify first point of edge. I'll click somewhere. I don't have coordinate. Then it will ask me specify second point of edge. Second point of edge. We said that the direction is important. Which way you go, it tends to follow counterclockwise direction. Look at it, counterclockwise. Anywhere you go, the shape will be drawn as a counterclockwise. So I'll make it horizontal, and we type the length of the line, which is 20, hit enter. We'll get the polygon. We have it here. This is the first method of polygon by edge. Now, can we draw this shape by the other lines? By the other lines? Yes. Let me do something. Now, if I know this line, let's say I have a line like this. I know the dimension of this, everything. If I know about this line, I can use this also to draw the polygon. It's still 20, the length of it is still 20. The angle, let me see the angle is 72. Let's say I'm going to draw something with this line 20, 72. I can still draw with this one. I'm going to activate polyline. It is 5. Let's say I'm starting somewhere here. Sorry, my mistake. Polygon 5 edge. Now I'm going to click somewhere here. Then I'm going to give, look, the one you're drawing it, which one is? I'm trying to draw this one. Why? Because it's the first click I did. I'll draw this one up to here. I'm using which method? I'm using the method of polar tracking, which is angle and length. Shift at, the length will be 20, the angle will be 72. Let's do it again. Made a mistake. Side 5, edge, click somewhere, at 20, angle sign 72. I end up exactly similar polyline. In the first time we drew it by this line. In the second one I used this line to draw the polygon. You realize that the first one was easy. Why? Because I used the last method for drawing line, direct entry. This one I used polar tracking. So you can have, that's what I said, that you can have any methods to draw line for this polygon method. For edge, edge means that you draw one of the line, so by any of the method, and AutoCAD will finish the rest of the shape for you. I believe this will be enough for edge. In the next example, the next video, we'll talk about when we have center and radius. Thanks for watching.